welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a FabFitFun unboxing video. Got it right here. This is my first FabFitFun box that I've ever received. My mom actually got it for me for my birthday, so I'm super excited about it. I've actually always wanted to subscribe to FabFitFun, but I just never made the move. So I'm super happy that I have this with me right now, and thank you to my mom for getting it for me. I believe this is the editor's box, but I'm not completely sure, so I guess we'll find out. But I want to see what's in here, so I'm just gonna hop right into the video. I'm gonna take my eyebrow scissors because that's all I have with me right now, and I'm just gonna open up the box. I almost opened this not on camera because I was very anxious, but I decided to wait, so that way you can get my real reactions. This is just like a informational thing on like what FabFitFun is, I'm pretty sure, but it does say on here editor's box, so I believe that's what I have. I think that's what my mom told me. So yeah, let's see. Let's just hop right in. A note from us. Oh, so this is the little card that tells you what exactly is in the box, but I don't want to read it because I want to be surprised. So it's all wrapped up all cute in here. So let's just go ahead and rip this open. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I love getting goodies. Okay, so I'm literally so excited because I love makeup, I love fitness, I love everything that this box is about, and like I'm very like frugal with my money, so like I never just buy things, you know what I mean? Like I want to know that it's good before I buy it. So like it's kind of cool that like you're getting stuff that you wouldn't normally buy in here, and then you find out you like it, and then you know that it's worth your money and you can purchase it again later. So anyways, first thing I see in here is bath bombs, and it comes with 4 luxurious fragrances. Moisturizing and organic ingredients used. We take bath time seriously. Seriously fun, that is. By Grace and Stella. Paraben and cruelty free. I would rip it open with my teeth, but I have lip gloss on, so bad idea. I'm just gonna open this so that we can see what's in here. It's like Christmas. Okay. And just look at that. That's so cute. So cute. It's just like a little boxy. Oh, so it does come with like 4 cute little bath bombs. That's so cute. Good Vibes, which is red rose. Wellness, which is fig and white peach. Keep Calm, which is French lavender. And Energize, which is grapefruit and mandarin. So that's what comes in here. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, let's move on now. Next thing I see is a ceramic mug. Oh, it's by Aisha Curry. I love her. So it says, you can never have enough adorable mugs, right? Right. I love mugs. I love coffee. I'm gonna use this every day of my life. So let's see what it looks like. Look, she's so cute on the side of the box. Ooh, it's a big mug too. It says, I'd rather be in bed, and it has cute little like eyelashes on there. That is the cutest thing I've ever seen in my life. I'm gonna have to use this for my coffee in the morning. Maybe I'll make some hot chocolate tonight or something. That is so freaking cute. I'm so pumped. Oh. Okay, next thing is the Spongelet French Lavender Body Wash Infused Buffer. Multi-use. Cleanses, exfoliates, hydrates, and massages. It says to place the sponge under water, squeeze to absorb, massage in a circular motion to cleanse skin, and then squeeze out excess water after each use. Oh, so that's kind of cool. guess it's like a body wash and a sponge, but it's like exfoliating too, and you can reuse it. That's pretty cool. I'm gonna open this just to see what it looks like. Oh, weird. It's like a hard little like flower shaped sponge. It smells really good. I'm excited. I love this. And like, so I've heard is like, you're only paying like $50 for each box, and you get it like every 4 months, I think. You get it like one for every season, and you end up getting like $250 worth of stuff and only having to pay like $50. So it says on here what's in the box. Total retail value $276 to $295, and you pay like $50 for the entire box. So like, worth it. Oh, I already have this. This is actually what I'm wearing on my lips right now. That's so funny. This is the Tarte lip paint, and it's in the shade Salty. So I already have this. Once I collect enough random stuff, maybe I'll do a giveaway. I don't know. Nobody really follows me. But I do already have the shade. I'm just gonna throw this in a drawer back here as like an extra product. And like maybe one day when I have enough things, I'll do a giveaway. We'll see. So then the next thing is a Tarte glossy lip paint. Never tried these before, so that really excites me, because that's what I'm saying. Like, I probably wouldn't buy this on my own. You know what I mean? Like, I just wouldn't gravitate towards that. I don't know. So I'm super excited. And this is in the shade Obvi. I think I just spit everywhere. Ooh, that's a beautiful color. It's like a nude-ish color. I could put this on right now, but I already have lip gloss on, so I'm gonna swatch it. Oh, it's very, very pigmented. Let me show ya. So yeah, I said this is in the shade Obvi. Right there. Oh, it's horrible. So yeah, I would totally wear this. Love it. And I love Tarte. So, awesome. Next thing is this Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. No sulfates, no silicones, no parabens. So I'm guessing it's a hair mask. It says, after shampooing, massage into the hair from root to tip, leave in for 10 minutes before rinsing. And for even deeper conditioning, cover the hair in a plastic cap to retain moisture while sitting under a dryer. Perfect, because my hair is super dry and I needed a mask. I actually was getting ready to maybe buy one off of like Ulta or something like that. So this is gonna come in super handy. I was like honestly thinking about chopping off my hair too, just to get rid of the dead ends, but I don't know, like I'm kind of looking at myself in the mirror. I kind of like, I'm not in the mirror, in the viewfinder. I kind of like my hair, so maybe I won't chop it off. See if this thing works. I feel like I've heard of that brand before and it's supposed to be good, I think. Next thing I see is the Kate Somerville. This is an amazing skincare brand, so I've heard. This is the Exfoliate Intensive Exfoliating Treatment. So it's just an exfoliator. It says papaya, pumpkin, and pineapple enzymes make for a perfect polish in just 2 minutes. This cult favorite product uses both physical and chemical exfoliation to improve the appearance of skin texture and pores while brightening and reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. I need that because I have a fine line on my forehead because I always go like this and it wrinkles and it's there and I need to get rid of it. So, can't wait to try this. And let's just look, that would normally cost $75. So like, I already got my money's worth, more than my money's worth for paying $50 on one product. Okay. Ooh, I've been wanting a sleep mask so bad. Here it is. This is from Free People. Ooh. And it's just a little face mask thingy bobber, or eye mask. Ooh, and it's like jelly inside. That is so cool. Let's see what it says about that. There it is. Starry-eyed travel eye mask. This vegan leather eye mask features a removable non-toxic cooling insert to keep you feeling and looking refreshed. The adjustable elastic strap offers a perfect fit every time, and a charming metallic patchwork keeps you dreaming amongst stars. That's so cute. I can't wait to wear this. And yeah, it has like a cooling pad in there. That is so cool. Can't wait to use this. But this is good for like eye bags and stuff. Next we have, I believe this is the last thing in here actually. This is from Summer and Rose. My middle name is Rose, so I like it already. Looks like it's a little tote bag. Oh, that's cute. This will be perfect for like taking stuff to the beach. It's just like a little beachy striped tote bag. Let's see what it says about that one. Yeah. It says rope handle, stripes on stripes. This tote deserves a spot in your handbag collection. It also features two pockets, making it easy to carry around the essentials. And this itself costs 50 bucks. So like, you get my drift. Okay. So that's so cute. I'm so happy. Thank you, Mom. I can't wait to try everything. I'm so excited. So, that's it. I'm so excited. Yeah, I guess I'll probably be filming these every time I get a box because that was super fun. Oh, I just dipped my finger in the lip gloss. Good thing I have a towel behind me. So, that's gonna be it for this video. I'm so excited to try everything. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I always love watching these kind of videos, but I have to make sure that I don't watch other people's FabFitFun unboxing videos now, because otherwise it's not gonna be a surprise when I open mine. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up for me. Make sure you hit that subscribe button down below so you can see when I post new videos. And let's see, if you want to know what's on my face, I will leave it down in the description box. If you want a tutorial on it or anything like that, just let me know. And make sure you follow me on all my social media, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Snapchat. Always leave it down in the description box. So make sure you do that because I would love to have you all. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.